Zoisha. You guys, I'm in some part in Canada. I don't know exactly where I am, but I'm going to the beach. Wait, hold on. Let me hold my phone carefully while I roll down the window. Wow. Can I get some wow for Canada? Canada with a wow. Highway with a wow.
Your candy's trying to kill me.
Driver with a wow. Wow. You guys, we're going to the beach. Sandbanks Beach. I don't know, we're in we're in Coburg. Wow. I only hear about these places, you guys. Wow. Like, we're in counties. You know how far we reach when you reach county? This is not a city, this is a county. Coburg. Wow. You guys, I don't know where I are. I'm in Belleville, Ontario. Like, people must see some things in the field where look like where you only see another country movie. Them like,
what you mean, hey?
Hey, like stacks of hay. Is that what they got? Like, whoa. Like, look at all of the country. Canada big enough, people.
And this is just
Ontario, like, facts. Damn. Oh, tell something for come move.
Come do it.
Oh, you mean?
Or raise a chicken and tie.
Hello. Yeah, Joel plant him sitting them.
Wow.
Him seasoning, and we get a couple chicken or whatever, and everything will be fresh and veganistically fresh and
You know, so you could have plant callaloo and stuff.
hello. That is what I'm saying. Scallion, onion, tomato, watermelon with the black seed.
Wow.
Like, you guys, take it in. Oh my god. Wow. This is Canada with a wow. Canada with a wow.
Canada, wow.
Canada, wow. Look on the A, people. Look on the east. Oh my god, I see horse. I see us.
Sorry, my must be exiting.
Hello, Netra. Left hand done that street west. People should make me miss an exit the first one.
Why you have to load up the
You bring it up.
You do that shut off me.
If you never talk, no, I wouldn't bring it out, goody. If you never talk, I wouldn't bring it out. But you talk. Yeah, she make me miss the exit. Hello, take time. Are those the slippers? Okay, thank you, Jesus.
Loyalist College.
Wow. Like, people, Canada pretty, you know?
So you mean people really leave for them? Yeah, come up here, so come last.
Loyalist school? What is that for? Oh, that is what? Law school. Loyalist, well, loyal people go here, so. Yeah. No, before come out of school here, come loyal. Real G, say the truth to them, they want. You know, say they are county. People we in a county now, like a county. I don't know if you explain what is a county, but it's a county. You know? So kind of them small,
like little cities inside of it.
Small tribe.
Don't quote me on that.
Like a tribe. Or a cult.
Okay, well.
You know what, please. Kinte Christian High School, like.
Hi.
We don't have them something different.
We have temples and
we have Catholic, but Christian. You hear that? Turn left.
Does that train light thing just go up? Or am I tripping?
I never don't do it all. Oh my god, this is so cool. This is why I like exploring.
So go on the door, huh? Yo, can you imagine we look up on the right?
Oh my god! Right.
Like,
where you come from? No man, the place is pretty. Wow, just breezy and nice. No, I feel like I got Jamaica. Right over here.
Oh, what is it called? The Mandela.
Yeah. I feel like I go on the tour. Wow. Except there should be some palm tree or some coconut. Yeah. Decoration. No, yo, like,
This looks like.
bro, like the landscape over here, like, brother,
Over there again?
Sky Belleville, your place nice, it real nice. It real nice. Them something I couldn't come to Toronto. We couldn't drive straight down. Look over there, people. You can't see the beautiness of it, over here. I swear it is better in person. Oh my god. Hi. No, Joe, you never tell me so we are going to why we missed the first exit. Oh my god.
Hi. Do I?
Oh my god.
A New York worker?
Oh god. No, the lane the lane ends here. Wow, people. No, I can't go up the bridge.
Zwix. Concert on the bay. Go ahead, hey.
You want to go concert?
I want a concert on the bay.
Oh my god.
Down by the bay.
Where the watermelons grown, back to my home. I dare not go, for if I do, my mother would say,
Hey.
Did you ever see a hair growing a bear?
Down by the bay.
You ever see it? No, exactly.
Picton is 35 kilometers.
Jesus, Lord of His Moses, we still have so far.
It's not that far.
Oh my
It's like me leaving
god.
my house to come to your house.
Okay.
Right in the middle.
Oh my god. My pony. This feels like when I'm taking off. Oh my god. Wow. Water without wow. Oh, people looking so freaking nice.
There, there's like a little.
Oh man. Wait, you're not in the ocean though. No, let me just on the bridge. Wow. Oh my god.
A little island that you can take a boat to.
Oh my god.
Oh, this is nice.
Like,
Yo, look at those houses on the lake, dog.
oh my god.
Honestly, I can't swim, so I can't
Right?
fantasize.
No, me can't swim. That's so lit, yo. Oh my
I really
god.
like that.
Rossmore. County of Prince Edward. Bomboy, yes, man, can live.
Every day is another fake account. I send in for me picture every time I make a post. If I'm not here, you criticize me closed door. Map me naga like it look like me I take your spouse. And not my fault you're stuck in the house. And not my fault your man I let you out. And not my fault you keep on doing the most. And nobody no really want to take you out. Cause you know up.
No! Nobody's supposed to be here. But you came along and changed my.
Not mine.
I spent all my life on a search to find the love will stay for eternity. A heaven sent to fulfill my needs, but when I turn around, again love has stopped me down.
You're actually really dumb. Wait,
My
number is
heart's broken, no, it hurts so bad. Oh, they're there. Nobody's so sad. They're at 7. This old frog, look at my clothes. You can't. Oh wait, you can turn it over there. Yo, people, can I get a wow? Oh, my look pretty.
let me try.
You can do it, man. Yo, look
Oh, no,
pretty.
that looks too small. What the fuck?
What, the parking spot?
Yeah.
No, man.
I can see both cars. I don't think I can fit.
So yeah, we made it to the beach.
My son.
Let's tell her if we're going at 8, you know? Oh, alright. Come in, tell her if we're going at 8. Little girl? So yeah, we reached the beach, you guys. It's 4:36. We leave about almost. We leave after 1 o'clock. The trip was supposed to leave out by 11 o'clock, the latest.
Lord.
See culprit them here.
I was with you.
All alone on the Saturday. Me ready waiting by the door to go. Get the call. Come in. Okay, they said I'm reach and I said come in. Hello. Anyways, guys. Gotta pack up, get ready to go to the beach. Gotta go. We made it to the beach. Literally made it to the beach. Like Canada have a beach, people. Like full out beach. It's lit. It's called Sandbanks Provincial Park. And it's lit. What? Awa. This is, yeah, vlogger problems. People always think you're talking to yourself. But anyways, yeah. It was nice. I actually went in the water. I reach out far. Like, the water go over your stuff on my shoulder and all of them. Something I'm not used to in our real life because we don't do those things in Canada. But this was lit. No, them use it. The maracas, yeah. Man's feeling the music, dog. My beach in Canada, but we get Jamaican foodie. Yeah, we get rice and peas, fried chicken and coleslaw. Talk to me good, talk to me nice. Yeah. What? Talk to me nice, talk to me good. Huh?
I don't know.
Hey! Bumbo. Two and shit, I want to hear that song, how them singing. Bumbo. No? Bumbo. 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 But you boy a wine. Bumbo. In the shirts, in the black shirts? Right underneath the umbrella? He was whining just a while ago.
Yo, say. You know the 6 got to work, you know. You know the 6 get that work. Yo, SZN5 220 when I'm flying on London. Simple thing for me, get a girl number.
Yo, these people were taking a full-blown photo shoot in the water with their pants on, like in full clothes, like what she bought Jones up talks and it in a bigger talk stop months. The girl have been up in a 9 and in a 10. Kashi, Dana, whoever, as me, peanut, oats, bumbo. Me have to take my time because you know, so my foot is broken. I don't even know where we're walking to, but the sun is gonna set. It's so pretty and romantical. I wish I had a husband. I mean, I do, but with me, you know. So pretty.